Good morning, sir. This is M. Ashwita from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today, I am here to explain about testing of serializability log-based timestamp date, database management system. Outline of my presentation: Introduction to serializability, importance, types, and testing for serializability, log-based protocols, log compatibility, deadlock in log-based protocols, timestamp ordering protocol, advantages of timestamp protocol, limitations of timestamp protocol, comparison of log-based and timestamp protocols, and conclusion. Introduction to serializability. Serializability is a crucial concept in database management systems that ensures correctness in concurrent transaction execution. It guarantees that the outcome of executing transactions concurrently is the same as if they were executed serially. Understanding serializability is essential for maintaining data integrity and consistency in multi user environments. Advantages of serializability in Dbms are execution is predictable, simplified debugging, lowered expenses, enhanced efficiency. Importance of serializability. Serializability prevents anomalies such as lost updates, temporary inconsistency, and uncommitted data reads. It helps maintain the ACID properties such as atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, crucial for transactions. Ensuring serializability enhances user trust and system reliability in database applications. Types of serializability. There are two primary types of serializability: conflict serializable and view serializable. Conflict serializability is based on the concept of conflicting operations between transactions. View serializability considers the final state of the database and the visibility of operations to transactions. Different levels of conflicts are intrapersonal conflict, interpersonal conflict, intergroup conflict, interorganization conflict. Testing for serializability. Testing for serializability is essential to validate whether a schedule of transactions is serializable. Various methods such as serializability graphs can be employed to determine serializability. A schedule is considered serializable if its serialization graph is acyclic. Log-based protocols. Log-based protocols are mechanisms used to ensure exclusive access to data items during transaction execution. They can be categorized into two types: shared logs for read operations and exclusive logs for write operations. Proper use of logs prevents issues like dirty reads, non-repeatable reads, and phantom reads. Log compatibility. Log compatibility defines how different types of logs can coexist on the same data item. A shared log can coexist with other shared logs, but it cannot coexist with an exclusive log. Exclusive logs cannot coexist with any other logs, ensuring that write operations are isolated. Deadlock in lock-based protocols. Deadlock occurs when two or more transactions are waiting indefinitely for each other to release locks. Deadlock detection and resolution mechanisms are vital to maintain system efficiency. Common strategies include timeout, wait die, and wound wait schemes to manage deadlocks. Deadlock detection to single instance and multi-instance. In single instance, that is wait for graph. In multi-instance, safe. Timestamp ordering protocol. Timestamp ordering is a concurrency control method that assigns a unique timestamp to each transaction. The system uses these timestamps to determine the serial order of transactions. It ensures that transactions are executed in the order of their timestamps, preventing conflict. Advantages of timestamp protocol. Timestamp protocols are deadlock free as they do not require locking mechanisms. They allow for greater concurrency as transactions can proceed without waiting for locks. The simplicity of the protocol makes it easier to implement in database systems. Recoverability and cascade freedom. Limitations of timestamp protocol. One major limitation is the potential for cascading rollbacks when a transaction must be aborted. It may lead to increased overhead due to maintaining the timestamps for all transactions. The protocol can also suffer from starvation if older transactions are continuously delayed by new owners. Timestamp based protocols recoverability and cascade freedom in the timestamp ordering protocol. Comparison of log-based and timestamp protocols. Log-based protocols focus on acquiring logs to ensure isolation, while timestamp protocols rely on timestamps for ordering. Log-based methods can suffer from deadlocks whereas timestamp protocols are inherently deadlock free. The choice between these protocols depends on system requirements, expected workloads, and concurrency levels. Conclusion. Testing for serializability, understanding log based mechanisms, and timestamp protocols are vital for database management. Each approach has its strengths and weakness, impacting concurrency, performance, and data integrity. A well designed concurrency control strategy is essential for the reliability of modern database systems. The presentation outlines the essential concepts related to testing of serializability, log-based protocols, and timestamp stamp methods in a structured manner. Thank you, sir. This is presented by Ashwita from Computer Science and Engineering Department.